Hello students, welcome you all. So now we are going to discuss question number 8. A horse is tied to a peg at one corner of a square shaped grass field. So there is a square shaped grass field you can see. So a horse is tied here of side 15 meter by mean of a 5 meter long rope. That means the length of the square shaped grass field is 15 meter and length of the rope through which the horse is tied is 5 meter. Now what we have to find? The area of that part of the field in which the horse can graze. So area of the field that the horse can graze. Now horse can graze with a radius of 5 meter because the rope is 5 meter. So here this will be the area that the horse can graze. So first we have to find this area. Okay, double I. The increase in the grazing area, if the rope were 10 meter long instead of 5 meter, then it is saying the rope were now 5 meter if the rope were 10 meter, suppose like this. Now we have increased the length of rope. Then the grazing area will also be increased. The increased area will be this one, the area I am crossing. So we have to find the increased area. Okay. So what we will do in second part? Second part we have to find the whole area with radius 10. Then we had already found in the first I part the area with radius 5. Then we will subtract it so that we can find the increased area. Now we will move to the solution part. Okay. So first of all we will move to I. Here what is given? Here R is given. Radius is equal to 5 meter. Theta angle is given 90 degree. So directly write area of sector, or you can the grazing area you can also write will be equal to theta by 360, that is 90 by 360 into pi r square. Pi is your 3.14 into r is your 5 square, which will be equal to, now you can cancel it, 90 and 360 after cancellation it will be 1 by 4. 3.14 you can write 314 by 100. 5 square is 25. Now you can cancel it. Here it will be 4, 1. Then you can write 2. Here it will be 1, 5, 7. So it will be 157 by 8, which will be equal to 81, then 19.625 meter square. So this is the area that when the horse can graze when the length of the rope is 5 meter. Now we will move to the double I part. The increased area we have to find. Double I. Here R is equal to 10 meter. Okay, theta remains the same. Theta equal to 90 degree. So here also area of sector equal to same theta by 360, that is 90 by 360 into pi r square. Pi is 3.14 into r square is 10 square, which will be equal to 90. You can cancel it, it will be 1 by 4. 1 by 4 into 314 by 100 you can write into 10 square is 100. Now you can cancel the hundreds. Here we have 4. Now you can divide 314 divided by 4, which will be equal to 78.5. Now what we will do? We have find the area with radius 10 meter and the area with radius 5 meter. So the increase in grazing area will find. Now the increase in grazing area equals this area with 10 meter radius minus area with 5 meter radius. So it will be equal to 78.5 minus 19.625. Then after subtraction you can get it 58.5. 0.875 meter square. So this is the area, increased area in the case of double I. Now we'll move to next question. Okay, here it is. Okay, this question also have two part. A brooch means a type of ornament. Okay, you can see the ornaments. So this is a type of ornament. A brooch is made with silver wire in the form of a circle with diameter 35 mm. The wire is also used in making 5 diameters which divide the circle into 10 equal sectors as shown in the figure. Now find first part, total length of the silver wire required. That means how much silver wire has been used. Here you can see the silver wire is used in the circumference and also it is used in the diameters. So first we have to find the circumference and how many diameters, 1 2 3 4 5 diameters are there. So 5 diameters plus the length of the circumference in the first part we will find. And the double I part, the area of the sector, each sector of the brooch, that means each sector of the area we have to find. How many sectors are there, you can count it. As there are how many, 5 diameters, there must be 10 sectors, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So you have to find the whole area divided by, you can 10, so that you can find the area of one sector. So let's start it. So what is given here? Here we have I r equal to, okay, diameter is given, no, r is not given, so that we will write d. Here d is equal to 35, so r is equal to 35 by 2. Now theta, we don't know the theta. Okay, let's move to theta in the double I part. In the first part we don't know theta. So first we will find circumference of the circle equal to 2 pi r. 2 into pi is given, no, not given, so that we can write 22 by 7 into r is 35 by 2. Now you can cancel it, 7 5 2, you can cancel it here, so it will be 22 into 5, which will be equal to 110 millimeter mm. So this is the circumference. Now we will move to see the length of the diameters. So how many diameters are there? 5 diameters. Length of 5 diameter is equal to 5 into 1 diameter is 35, 5 into 35, which will be equal to 175 mm. So total length of the silver wire, now you can write total length equal to 110 plus 175, 110 plus 175, which will be equal to, it will be your 285 mm. So this much silver wire will be required. Now we will move to the double I part. Area of each sector of the brooch. Now first we will find, okay, you can directly find the area also. We will move to double I part. Area of each sector, you can find area of each sector equal to theta by 360 into pi r square. Okay, you can write here theta equal to, how many sectors are there? 10 sectors. So theta will be equal to 360 divided by 10, which will be equal to 36 degree, implies or equal to, you can say here. So theta by 360, theta is 36, so 36 by 360 into pi r square. Pi is your 22 by 7 into r is your here 35 by 2 square. 35 by 2 into 35 by 2. Now you can cancel it here. It will be 10. Then 7 you can cancel. 7 5 is 35. You can also cancel this 5. 5 2 is 10. Then you can cancel these two also with 11. Now you can multiply 11 with 35 divided by 4. So please multiply all of this. This will be 385 divided by 4, which will be equal to 96.25 mm square. So this is the area of each sector. Now we can find the area of sector by also finding the area, whole area divided by 8. The process will be same. Okay. So this is the end. Now we'll move to the next question. Here it is. An umbrella has 8 ribs which are equally spaced. Assuming umbrella to be a flat circle of radius 45 centimeter, find the area between the two consecutive ribs of the umbrella. Okay, what we need here? What we have first? An umbrella has 8 ribs. Then we have to assume that umbrella to be a flat circle. If you open all these ribs, then the umbrella will become a flat circle like this, in which it has 8 ribs. So that 8 ribs means this is a rib, 1 rib, 2 rib, 3 ribs like that. So how many sectors must be there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 sectors will be there. Here radius of or length of the each rib, which will be the radius, r is equal to 45 cm. Find the area of the two consecutive ribs of the umbrella. So what is the area between the two consecutive ribs? So this is nothing but the area of one sector. Okay. So after understanding the question, we will move to the solution part. So here we have r equal to 45. Theta will be equal to, you have total angle 360. How many sectors are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So theta will be 360 divided by 8, which will be equal to 360 by 8. You can find it will be equal to 45 degree. Now we'll move to the area. So area of each sector will be equal to theta by 360, 45 by 360 is your 360 into pi r square. Pi value of pi is given, no, so let 22 by 7 into r square. R is your 45 into 45. Then you can cancel it. 45 into 8, 360. Here you can also write 11. Then here it will be 4. So now you have to multiply 11 into 45 into 45 divided by 28. So I have multiplied it earlier. It will be 2,275 divided by 28 centimeter square. So this is the area of each sector. Also you can find this by finding the total pi r square. First you will find pi r square. Then you know that how many sectors? 8 sector divided by 8. It will be more simpler for you. This is also not that much complicated. So now we will move to the next question. Here a car has 2 wipers. So you must have seen car in which wipers are there in the front glass. Each wiper has a blade of length 25 centimeter sweeping through an angle of 115 degree. Find the total area cleaned at each sweep of the blade. So assume that there is a, so this is the front, suppose front glass in which 2 wipers are being attached. So one wiper is here. So it will clean this much area. Another wiper is here. It will clean this much area. and two wipers which do not overlap, so they are not overlapping. Each blade is 25 cm, so this radius is 25 centimeter. Here also r equal to 25 cm, so we can write here r is equal to 25 cm. Sweeping through an angle of 115 degree. So this angle, so it is starting from here and ending somewhere here like this. So this angle is 115 degree. Here also angle is 115. So angle theta is equal to 115 degree. Find the total area cleaned at each sweep. So at each sweep, it will clear this much area, clean. Here also it will clean this much area. So you have to find the area of the sector. So let's start here. Area of sector. You can write two sectors. Two sector is equal to 2 into theta by 360, 115 by 360 into pi r square. Pi value is not given, you can directly write 22 by 7 into r is 25 square. Okay, now you can here it will, you can cancel 115, it will be cancelled by, it will be 72, then 23, then you can cancel it here 36, here it will be 11. Okay, then it will be equal to, please calculate all the multiply and calculate all of this. It will be equal to 158,125 divided by 126 centimeter square. So this will be your answer. So a calculation is little tricky. You have to find, you have to calculate it. Otherwise, you will not get the full mark. Okay. So please calculate it. Now we'll move to the next question. Question number 12. Here we have one ships for underwater rocks. A lighthouse spreads a red color light over a sector of angle 80 degree to a distance of 16.5 kilometer. Okay, find the area of the sea over which the ships are warned. Okay, you know that there are lighthouse. Suppose there is a lighthouse. Lighthouse spreads light. Okay, this lighthouse is spreading light up to distance of 16.5 kilometer. Why it is spreading light? Because ships can come to the shore, so that there may be some rocks, and the ships will be damaged, so that it is spreading light from here. Now, okay, now the lighthouse can spread the light up to length of 16.5 kilometer and at an angle of 60 degrees. So the light can spread from A to B like this. Okay, and you can see this is forming a sector of angle 80 degree. Okay, so what we have to find? Find the area of the sea over which the ships are warned. So how much area it will warn? It will warn only this much area, because the light is spreading up to this area. So we have to find this area. What we will do? Here we have r, radius is equal to 16.5 kilometer. Then theta is equal to 80 degree. We have to find the area of the sector, or you can write area of the sea over which the ship are warned is equal to theta by 360, 80 degree by 360 into, here you have pi equal to 3.14 pi into r square. R is your 16.5 square, which will be equal to, you can cancel it 0, then You can cancel it like for 2 ja 8, then for 9 ja 36. So 2 by 9 into 314, you can write 314 divided by 100 into, here you have 16.5 into 16.5, so you can write 165 by 10 into 165 by 10. Now what we have, we can cancel this 100, it will be 50, then okay, it can be cancelled, it will be 157 by 2, then it will be 25 here, we are cancelling by 2 here. Now you can cancel 5 5 is 25, here you have 5 3 and 3, then you can here again 5 5 3 is 15, 5 3 is 15, again we have consider cancel with 3 3 3 is 9, so it will be 11, 3 1 3 1. Now again 3, it will be 3 1 is 11, 3 1 is 3, 3 1 is 3, so it will be 11. Now what you have, 157 into 11 into 11, so equal to 157 into 11 into 11 divided by 100. So you please multiply it, 157 into 11 into 11, it will be 18997 by 100, which will be equal to 18997 point 189.97. So this will be your answer. It will be in kilometer square. So this much kilometer square area the lighthouse can warm. Okay, so we'll move to the next one. Question number 13. So let's read it. A round table cover has 6 equal designs as shown in figure 12.1 for. So here you have a round table cover is there and 6 equal designs, 1 2 3 4 5 and 6 numbers of designs, equal type of designs are there. If the radius of the cover is 28 centimeter, so you have a radius, suppose OB, a radius is 28 centimeter. Find the cost of making the design. So you have to find the cost of making the design at a rate of 35 paisa per centimeter square. So what is have to find? This area. This is the area. This segment you have to find area. Again you have to find this segment also. How many segments are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6 segments are there. So you have to find area of one segment and we will multiply with it with 6. One segment area with 6. Then after finding this area of that segment, we will multiply 35, because the cost is 35 paisa per centimeter square. So how much centimeter we will get? We will multiply with 35, so that we will get the cost. Okay, before that we have to find the area of whole sector first. Suppose OAB sector we have to find. Then we have to find area of this triangle, OBA or OAB triangle. Then we will subtract all of both of them, so that we will get the area of the segment. So let's try. Okay, here what is given? Given root 3 equal to 1.7. So we need the value of root 3. Okay, so here R radius is equal to 28 cm. Then we can find theta. Theta will be equal to, look at it, how many same types of design are there? 1 to 6 types. So we can divide this circle into 6 equal sectors, 1 2 3 4 5 6. So theta will be 360 divided by 6, which will be equal to 60 degree. Okay, so first we will find area of OACB sector. Area of OACB sector equals theta by 360, theta is 60 divided by 360 into pi r square. Pi is given, not given, so pi will be 22 by 7 into r square, r is 28 into 28. So then we can cancel it. 6 6 is 36. Here it will be 3, then it will be 11, then 3 can't be cancelled, 7 4 is 28. So now you have to multiply 11 into 4 into 28 divided by 3, which will be equal to 410.66 centimeter square. So this is the area of OACB sector. This OACB sector. Now we'll find area of the triangle. Here triangle OAB. Triangle OAB is an equilateral triangle. Why it is an equilateral triangle? We have this angle is equal to 60 degree. Now OA equal to OB. Therefore, these two angle A and angle B will be equal. Now one angle is 60. Then they will definitely be equal to 60 and 60 as both are equal, as OA equal to OB. So OAB triangle is an equilateral triangle. Here OAB triangle is an equilateral triangle. So area OAB equal to, you know the formula, root 3 by 4 into a square. O is a is nobody but the radius. So given his radius is 28 into 28 square, you can write 28 into 28. Now you have to cancel it. 4 you can cancel, 4 2 ja 4, then yes 4. Okay, directly you can write 4, you can cancel 4 7. So you have to multiply 28 into 7 into root 3. Root 3 is 1.7. 1.7 into 7 into 28, which will be equal to, after multiplication you will find 333.2 centimeter square. Okay. Now we have the area of this triangle also. Now we can find the area of this segment. So area of the segment equals to area of the sector minus area of the triangle. 410.66 minus 333.2, okay, which will be equal to, now you please subtract it, it will be equal to 77.46. Now this is the area of one segment. Area of 6 segment, 6 number of segments are there, 6 number of segments of segment equals to 77.46 into 6, which will be equal to 464.76. okay, so this is the area, you can write centimeter square. This is the total area of the 6 segment. Now again we have the price, that is price is what, rupees 35 paisa, 35 paisa per centimeter square. Now we can find it total cost. So cost will be equal to 464.76 into 0.35 rupees, which will be equal to, again you please multiply, it will be equal to 162.66 rupees. So this much rupees you have to pay for the design of this 6 equal type of segment. So I hope you have understood. Now we'll move to the next and the last question. Here you have, pick the correct solution in the following. Okay, area of a sector of angle P. So here you have angle P means theta equal to P, of a circle with radius R. So here r equal to r, that means theta equal to p and radius equal to r. We have to find the area of this sector. So we will find area of the sector. You know that area of the sector is theta by 360 into pi r square, pi r square. Now we can check it here, the options. Theta by 360 into pi r square, theta by 360. Okay, there is no theta by 360 into 2 pi r. Okay, so what we will do, we can okay, here you can see r can't be the answer, here pi r square, here also pi r square. So 2 pi r square, here pi r square, p by 128. We will, it looks like this will be the answer. How? You see, what we will do, we will further move here, which will be equal to, what we will do, we will multiply 2 on both sides, that will in numerator and denominator. So it will be equal to 2 by 2 into theta by 360 into pi r square. What you do? Multiply 2 by 2, which will be equal to, now this theta and this 2 can be multiplied with pi, so it will be 2 pi r square. Look at it here, 2 pi r square. So we can write, and here 360 into 2 will be 720. So we can write it will be equal to theta by 720 into pi r square. So here it is 2 pi r square, but theta is not here. Who is theta? Theta is p. So instead of theta you can write p. So we'll write implies, and instead of r we'll write this bigger, implies or not implies, it equal to, you can write theta is p, it will be equal to p by 720 into 2 pi, r is equal to bigger, so you can write r. So this will be your answer, p by 720 into 2 pi r, p by 720 into 2 pi r. So the answer is D. D option will be the correct answer. Okay, so this is it. Now we'll move, no, this is the last question. So thank you for now. Please solve all this question in your copy and submit the copies. Okay, thank you.